Mickey Arthur wants Sri Lankan players to stay off social media for this reason. What is that? मैं आपको बताऊंगी. उसके बाद 3 Indian players are set to fly to England as replacements. Who are those players? I will tell you in today's episode. और सबसे अंत में the Indian cricket fraternity has lauded Mirabai Chanu for her performance in the Olympics as she has bagged a silver medal. We're going to find out all those details in today's episode of News Tracker. Hello everybody. I hope you're doing well and keeping safe. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. But before I begin this video, if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to Cricket Trackers yet, I do not see a reason why you shouldn't be doing it, so hit that button quickly. And without wasting time, let's begin today's video to find out what's making news in the world of cricket. Now, the Sri Lankan team led by Dasun Shanaka, of course, are taking on India in Colombo. Now, when we're talking about the ODI series, India, of course, won it by 2-1. And on the other hand, it's already time for the T20I clash. But having lost the series to India, now Mickey Arthur feels that Sri Lankan players should actually stay off social media because it's negative. And he also feels like a lot of people have, opinions on the kind of performance. So rather that negativity can get to Sri Lankan players. What exactly did Mickey say? Let's find out. Now, Arthur, of course, who is the head coach of Sri Lanka, said there are some idiots out there who think they know everything, but they know nothing. So how do you all, view this statement of Mickey Arthur? Because, of course, social media now, whether you look at it as a boon or a bane, is, individual opinions at the end of the day. But currently, with the fact that it can also probably have an impact on players' mental well-being, do you view it that way? Or do you feel that, it's a part and parcel, of all our lives for that matter, in terms of using of social media? But on the other hand, of course, he as a coach is giving this perspective. So are you with Mickey on this statement? Let me know in the comment section below. Well, the senior Indian team is already in England, of course, prepping for that upcoming 5-match test series against England, which begins on August 4th. Now, during one of the warm-up matches against Durham, 2 players got injured, that's specifically Avesh Khan as well as Washington Sundar, ruling them out of the upcoming series. And right before that, of course, Shubman Gill was also ruled out because of an injury. Now, looking at that and also looking at the series coming up, a BCCI official has stated that 3 Indian players will now be flying to England as replacements. Now, who are they and what did the officials say? Let's find out. Now, the BCCI official said, yes, Prithvi Shaw, Suryakumar Yadav and Jayant Yadav will be flying to England. Whether they will fly in the middle of the T20Is, because Prithvi and Surya are part of the team in Sri Lanka, or post that is being worked out. But yes, these 3 are our replacement players for the test series in England. They might just leave after the 3 T20Is, but we will get a confirmation in another 3 days. Now, looking at the way things, have panned out for Team India and these 3 names coming in, do you think that's a good move as to these 3 players, being sent as replacements? Would you have wanted, some other names? How do you look at this competition between, of course, England and India in this test series? Because it's going to be super exciting. Give me all your thoughts and predictions in the comment section below. It is an exciting time for sporting fans with the fact that, of course, there are so many events happening, but the cherry on the top, of course, is the Tokyo Olympics 2020, where the Indian team is also there representing the country. And if one person who's made India very proud is Mirabai Chanu, who has, of course, won a silver medal in the women's weightlifting category in the 49 kg division. Now, one thing to, of course, remember with the fact is that sports person, no matter which sport they play, they're always looking forward to congratulating other athletes when, of course, they go on to represent their country on such huge platforms. And the Indian cricket fraternity is no different, as they took to social media to congratulate Mirabai for her achievement. Now, right from Sachin Tendulkar to Ravichandran Ashwin, everybody congratulated her. But what did they say? Let's take a look. Now, Sachin said, absolutely amazing display of weightlifting. The way you have transformed yourself after your injury and clinched a historic silver for Team India is absolutely stupendous. You have made us very proud. Mithali Raj said, and our campaign in the Tokyo Olympics begins in style. A proud moment for the whole country. Congratulations, Mirabai Chanu, on winning the silver medal. Now, Ravichandran Ashwin said, the efforts our Olympic athletes take for years to be on the podium is mind-blowing. Wonderful accomplishment by Mirabai Chanu. Gautam Gambhir also added to the bandwagon by saying 1.3 billion Indians proud of Mirabai Chanu. Jai Hind. Now, of course, that they are, of course, congratulating her and joining the excitement. Also tell us and send us your congratulatory messages for that wonderful performance in the comment section below. Well, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the News Tracker. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Follow all our social media channels, including our Telegram channel, because over there we have some amazing match-winning combos as well as fantasy tips for your fantasy team, so you wouldn't want to miss it. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be seeing you very soon. Until I see you next time, hit that subscribe button and of course take care of yourselves and stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.